Hello, my name is Luz Davis, and my theme is living and non-living things. And my student is a nonverbal. His name is Ryan, and I'm going to start with my lesson. Hi, Ryan. How are you doing? Good, good job. Before we start our lesson, we are going to go over our classroom rules, okay? Do you remember our classroom rules? Yes? Okay. Let's go over our classrooms. Our eyes are watching. Our mouths are quiet. Our ears are listening. Our hands are on our laps. And our feet are quiet. Good job, Ryan. I noticed that you are sitting on your blue disc that Mrs. Juarez, the occupational therapist, provided for you. Okay, so you can feel more comfortable. Like I was saying, the theme of our lesson today is going to be very funny. It's going to be a lot of fun. And we're going to be learning about living and non-living things. We are surrounded by living and non-living things. For example, this glue is non-living thing. This plant is a living thing. And we're going to go over the characteristics in a little while, okay? Let me ask you, Ryan, are you a living or non-living thing? Don't worry, okay, to answer right now, because I'm going to explain it to you. Another question, your dog is a living or non-living thing? It's a living thing, yes. So we're going to go over the characteristics of living and non-living things. So these are the characteristics. Okay, living things eat. Can you do this? Eat. They eat. Good job. Okay. Non-living things do not eat. They do not eat. Living things breathe. Can you do this? Yes, they breathe. And then living things, they grow. Like the plant. Like the plant, they grow. But non-living things, they do not grow. They stay the same. Living things also, they reproduce. For example, the dogs, they have little dogs. Or the cats, they have kittens. Okay, they reproduce. But non-living things, they do not reproduce. Okay, and that is the difference. So I'm gonna ask you these questions, Melody. How is a living thing different from a non-living thing? And I'm going to explain it to you. Living things, they grow, they eat, and they reproduce. Okay? So based on that, we are going to answer these questions here on our pocket chart. Okay? Living things need, what do they need, Ryan? They need air. Good job. Living things, they need food. Good job. They need food. Yes. And living things, they need water. Yes, they need water. So can you repeat with me? Can you point? Living things need air, food, and water. Good job, Ryan. So pay yourself, please. Good job. Once you finish all your stars, you're gonna be getting your favorite candy, okay? Good job. Now, we're gonna be reading a story about what's alive, okay? What's alive? Can you touch the title, please? Yes, what's alive? Good job. Can you turn page, please? Good job. So the book talks about living and non-living things. For example, tree. Can you touch the tree? Yes, it's a living thing because it grows. What about The swing. Can you touch the swing? Good job. It doesn't grow, so it's a non-living thing. What about the girl? The girl hidden in the picture. Is she a living or non-living? She's a living thing. Yes. And what about the cat? Is a living or non-living? It's a living thing. Can you touch the cat? Good job. Now we're gonna do something, Ryan, okay? Can you turn the page, please? Okay, so we're gonna use your pocket chart, your pocket Go Talk to ask you some questions about living and non-living things, okay? So, let me ask you, is the girl, can you touch girl? Is she living or non-living? Living. Good job. She is living because she grows. What about the cat? Can you touch cat? Cat, good job. Is the cat living or not living? Living. Good job, Ryan. Very good. What about the bench? Can you touch the bench? Is the bench living or non-living? Non-living. Good job. You are understanding the lesson. Last one. What about the tricycle? Is it a living or non-living thing? Can you touch it? Touch tricycle. Good job. Non-living. Good job, Ryan. Very good. So now, after you finish this, I want you to pay yourself. Can you pay yourself? Good job. Good job. Now, we are going to do this exercise, okay? So in this exercise, you are gonna categorize the pictures. You're gonna put them in the right group. You're gonna put them in the living or non-living group, okay? And this is the stick. Can you open it, please? Okay, so can you paste them in the right group, please?
Do you want to put the camera down? Do you want me to put the camera down?
Yes. Good job. Very good, Ryan. You're really understanding the concept. And you're fast pasting your pictures. Very good. Very good, Ryan. Living and non-living things. Good job. Let me put the top to the glue stick. And I want you to pay yourself. Good job. Now we're gonna do another activity. But while I do that activity, I want you to play with your favorite toy, okay? Just give me 1 minute. We're gonna put hula hoops, okay? So, we're gonna put 2 hula hoops, and one is gonna be for living, and the other one is gonna be for non-living, or your toy, okay? So I'm gonna ask you, can I have my toy? Good job. So let me ask you, is the plant living or non-living? Okay, the plant grows and it eats. So it's a living or non-living? Living, good job. What about this box? The box is living or non-living? Non-living, good job. What about the dog? The dog is living or non-living? Non-living. And last one, what about the plant? Is living or non-living? What about the plant? Look, the plant grows, the plant eats, and you put it in the non-living. Where does it go? Living. Good job, Ryan. You're doing awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna pick all these things up and you can play with your toy. Let me remove all these things and put them over here. Do it real fast. Now, we're gonna leave this one here, living and non-living. So I'm gonna put you an example. This is a living, okay? So you can have it here. And this is non-living. So what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna give you some words, some nouns, and I want you to put them in the right category, okay? Can you put the word book in the right category? Good job. Good job, Ryan. It's a non-living. Okay, let me take your data that you're doing it right. This is your IEP goal. Okay, can you put the word flower in the right category, please? Flower. Okay, look at the flower. The flower grows. The flower needs food. Where does it go, Ryan? Living. Good job. What about car? The word car. Good job. Non-living. What about the word dog? Living or non-living? Living. Good job, because it breathes and eats. What about a tree? A tree. Does it? Good job. Living or non-living? My goodness, you did awesome. Can you pay yourself, please? Good job, Ryan. You did awesome. Can you count the stars, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. And this is the end of my lesson. Thank you.
Stop recording.